Hello, I'm Karlene Agard from ARAVUN. I'm speaking with Jason Boyle, who's an architect. How do you see design being influenced by artificial intelligence?
Yeah, okay. This is very important question, I think, and a lot of people are kind of looking at this. The way I kind of see it working is it's driven by data. So I'm interested in building information modeling, and we're all embedding data into a model that we can hand over to a client. So what the cloud computing, powerful computers can let us do is imagine if you've got a site in any location in the world. You can look at that site, you can get the data, the GIS data, the orientation of the site, you can get the client requirements, you can get the regulations, all feeding this into a centralized computer system. You can look at what size the rooms need to be, what orientation they need to be, and you can feed this data into a model and set parameters, so you can set floor heights that they've obviously got to comply. Get all of this data, and you can literally use the computer power and the architect's design intelligence to create thousands of options. This is a design powerful tool. So the idea, I think, in the future, you'll be able to design much more buildings much quicker and give the client many more options. That's kind of how I think powerful computers will help architects.
Right, and how do you see that influencing the capability of people to actually do the job? So is there going to be a point at which people are no longer doing the job and it's just artificial intelligence?
Well, I think 60% of the future jobs have not been, they're not there yet. So I think we'll do very different things. New jobs will be invented to cope with, artificial intelligence. Well, I think there's reports out there saying that there's so many jobs that people will be doing in the future that have not even been thought of yet. That's a scary thing, but it's also, I think, a positive thing because the other situation where people are talking about, the rise of the robots and possible that lots of jobs will disappear. I mean, and then people are talking about, well, why don't we tax the robots? And that's a kind of a really nightmarish scenario, maybe.
Yeah, that sounds like something from another world. Okay, thanks, Jason.
Okay.